everybody to tip, but you think most people would tip during this pandemic?
You know? You would think, man.
Especially like it was 25.08. You think, okay, here's 26, keep the change. It's like, you know.
Right. You would think mugs would tip.
I mean,
because they know how rough it is right now on us restaurant workers.
Right. That's what I'm trying to say.
But no, whatever. Some people will, some won't.
If you have a credit card, I understand maybe you want to live it, but if you have cash, she had a bunch of cash.
Right.
An extra $1.
I wouldn't have heard it nothing,
Yep.
Just hook us up a little something.
Right.
Yeah, y'all. I'm sitting over here hanging out with Mr. Yeah. Welcome to Ihop Workflow 19, y'all.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all stay tuned.
Yeah,
nothing going on right now, but make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video. I got a bonus track for you. You're going to love it. Yeah. Howard and I, we had us a good time looking at it, rewinding it forward, backwards. So y'all going to enjoy that. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video and comment down below also. Eggs well done. Finished working on this steak omelet right here. Oh yeah. Getting it all well full. Making sure the French toast well. I look beautiful. I'm trying to do all of this holding my camera in my computer. It's your boy MLD73 hooking it up. Y'all just can't see my face right now. I'm over here teaching them as I go. Alright, I think that's well done right there. What y'all think? Yeah, I think that's well done. Bacon over there getting well, my hash browns getting well. Omelet right here. We gonna hook that up, show y'all what I do. not the best omelet I've made, but y'all see what it is. Put the rest of the mix on top. Put the rest of the cheese on there. Finished up with tomatoes. That's the big steak omelet. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Yep. That was the big steak, add broccoli. All right, there we go. Over here to the French toast. French toasty toast right there. And yeah, y'all, that was the big steak omelet right there. They wanted broccoli. I was trying to show y'all a little bit of what I do, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I don't got a tripod, so I can't set it up the way I want to. That's the last of the Mohicans. All right, let's bump our screens, get rid of that. Sound like we got an order might be coming in. Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips done. He forget who he be working with. Right. I know it'll get you if you let it. But I'm gonna still try to keep y'all up close in person, you know what I mean? Cause I know it was a couple of people asked would I show some of the cooking part or whatever. I was trying to wait till we reopen, but that's taking forever, so I decided to show y'all what I can show y'all when I had the chance. Look at that guy right there. That guy, yeah. Me and my boy Howie, you know what I'm saying? We be running this thing. It just be us up in here. Y'all see how I be finessing the grill, how I be rocking that grill, how I be knocking that grill out. That's what I do, that's me. The grill operator, MLD 73, baby. Let me get away from out here where all this music at, man. That music be making me nervous. Okay. Let's put it in everything. Yeah, baby. That's how we get down back here. They don't know about it. They trying to get me, y'all. They think they doing something. They think they doing something. Nope. They think they doing something. What they trying to do. The main. Burritos a little popular today. About to make some New York pancakes. Y'all check that out. Real cheesecake bites. $100 make you holla. And that's how I get down. No, there ain't no reason. Even if they do stop at Big Boys, they need to come and holler at us too. It's crazy. I'll be glad when all this is over with, man, so we can get back to normal.
Yeah, a couple more weeks. Next week's the last schedule is out being open. So. Yeah. All right, guys. So y'all made it to the end of this video. And like I said, I got a bonus track for you. Since you hung out the whole time and you watched the whole video, without further ado, here go this bonus track. But before I show this bonus track, I want to make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Even share. That'll be even great. Thank you for hanging out. Peace. Watch, she has her feet down. She walks right to the office.
See, careful.
How's it careful? You kept
I
walking.
tried to be careful. Now wait, because this is not going to be so great.
Watch this bike.
I'm on it.
It's 7:52. That's why I know to show Steve. Right on the bot.
I told you I felt great. Ryan's just standing there like, are you okay? Look at him like at the floor.
Let's play that. Go watch. Watch.
There to walk.
Let's watch it forward, Mike.
Yeah.
Oh.
Watching the other, like, woo! One leg.
Snap. That get up part from.
Here she comes again. One more last time before we take away. What?
Boom! She got up like, oh, that didn't hurt.
And then backwards one more time.
Yeah, because that's when you're kind of like.
That's the get up part.
All right, there we go. That's the entertainment today.